Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify GNC Creatine. First, always examine the product packaging for official GNC branding and seals. Look for a clear expiration date and a distinct lot number printed on the container. It is also crucial to ensure the ingredient list explicitly states 100% pure creatine monohydrate. These initial steps are vital for confirming you have a genuine product right from the start. Next, pay close attention to the packaging and label details. Genuine GNC products will always feature high-quality printing and consistent branding across all elements. Take a moment to verify the product's barcode against information found on the official GNC website. Additionally, always look for a secure, tamper-evident seal on the lid or around the container, indicating it has not been opened. Now let's consider the product's physical appearance and texture. Authentic creatine monohydrate is typically a very fine, white, and completely odorless powder. When mixed, it should dissolve easily in water, leaving little to no significant residue. If you notice any unusual color, a strong or chemical odor, or a gritty texture that doesn't dissolve well, these could be red flags. Finally, ensure you are making a safe purchase. Always buy your GNC creatine directly from official GNC stores or their authorized website to guarantee authenticity. Be very wary of unusually low prices offered by unauthorized third-party sellers, as these often indicate counterfeit products. If you have any doubts about a product's authenticity, do not hesitate to contact GNC customer service for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.